Today I'm gonna show you my Wordle Solver Python application. If you're not familiar with the game Wordle, Wordle is a New York style game. The idea is that Wordle is thinking about a 5-letter word and you have to try to guess it. Wordle will give you as an input, as a hint, the color of the different letters, and they will stay black if the letter is not part of the word. They will become yellow if they are part of the word but they are not in the right place, and green if they are part of the word and in the right place. Through these hints, with these hints and through an iterative process, you may be able to find which is the word that Wordle is thinking about. Now let's have a look at the terminal. So we can either write the word that we want to start with, for example, clear, or if we don't type anything, it will suggest your word and tell you that you didn't provide any input. The same will happen if you provide something which is not a 5-letter word, or if you provide a 5-letter word which is not part of any dictionary, English dictionary. Good, so let's make it as random as possible and let's not provide anything. Let's try to win this Wordle, which is on my right, and I can write here votes. Now to tell to the program what happened. The result has to be written with the 5 letters corresponding to what we see. So now we see 5 blacks, so let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are the 5 most common English words that would respect this one, so that they don't have any of this letter, and I can type one of these 5. So I will tell that I will write which, and let's write which here. We are not super lucky, we found just a yellow. By the way, we can put it uppercase, and if we put something which is wrong, the program will prompt us for something. So this is what we got. And now we can see some other words would be possible solution of this. I can write carry, by the way, if uppercase, and also if I write something that doesn't make sense, will reprompt me. So let's write carry. Okay, and now let's see the result. Not super lucky again. The result was green, yellow, black, black, black. Okay, now we have Cuban, clam, culpa. Let's try Cuban. Cuban. It doesn't know this word for some reason, so let's try the one after clamp, and actually it was correct. So the word was clamp and the result was 5G, 5 greens, and we won. Thank you.